Welcome. Find a comfortable position, whether seated on a chair with your feet flat on the floor or lying down on a bed or yoga mat. If you're seated, make sure your back is straight but not rigid. If you're lying down, rest on your back with your arms at your sides. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze if that feels more comfortable. Take a moment to settle in, wiggling your toes and fingers, allowing any tension to release with a slow exhale. Bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm, the rise and fall of your chest or belly with each inhale and exhale. It's like watching the gentle waves of the ocean. There's no need to control your breath, simply observe it. Notice any sensations, coolness of air entering your nostrils as you inhale, the gentle expansion of your lungs, the soft whoosh of air leaving your nose or mouth as you exhale. Imagine your breath as a wave. With each inhale, the wave gently rolls in, bringing a sense of calm washing over you. With each exhale, the wave recedes, carrying away any tension or worries you might be holding on to. Let your breath be your anchor, keeping you grounded in the present moment, right here, right now. Now we're going to do a body scan. It's simply paying attention to different parts of your body one by one. We'll start with your toes. Wiggle them gently, feeling any tightness or tension. Notice if your feet feel warm or cool, if your toes feel tingly. It's okay. Just observe these sensations without judgment and allow them to soften with each exhale. Continue your body scan, moving your awareness up your legs, noticing any sensations, tightness in your calves, perhaps, or achy knees. Acknowledge them without judgment and allow them to soften with each breath. As you move your awareness to your torso, feel the rise and fall of your breath in your chest or belly. Are your shoulders relaxed? If not, gently roll them back and down a few times, releasing any tension you might be holding there. Let your jaw relax, your lips slightly parted. Move your awareness to your arms. Are your hands clenched into fists? Gently open them, releasing any tension. Feel the weight of your arms resting comfortably on your chair or by your side. Bring your awareness to your head. Is your brow furrowed in concentration? Smooth it out, relaxing your forehead muscles. Let your scalp soften. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze further. With each inhale, imagine you're breathing in peace and tranquility, like taking in the fresh scent of a calming flower. With each exhale, imagine you're releasing any tension or negativity, like letting go of a balloon and watching it float away. Allow your breath to be a gentle cleansing tool, washing away anything that doesn't serve you. Continue with your peaceful breath for a few moments. You might feel your body getting heavier with relaxation, like sinking into a warm, comfy chair. Or you might feel light and airy, as if you're floating on a cloud. There's no right or wrong way to feel. Simply observe these sensations without judgment. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. You might feel a sense of stillness, like everything around you has quieted down. Or perhaps you might feel a quiet hum of energy within you. Allow yourself to simply be in this present moment, free from judgment of any thoughts or feelings that may arise. It's perfectly all right if your mind wanders during this meditation. It's natural for thoughts to come and go. When you notice your mind has drifted, gently guide your attention back to your breath, the anchor that keeps you present. There's no need to force anything, simply observe and return. A few more moments of peaceful breathing. Feel the deep sense of relaxation spreading through your body, releasing any remaining tension you might be holding on to. All right, dear friends, it's time to gently come back. Take a few deep breaths, wiggling your fingers and toes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a moment to stretch and bring yourself back to the room. I wish you peace and tranquility throughout your day. Stay mindful, friends.